Let's start our interview. My name is Nikita. I have like around 30 minutes today, and I prepared two quite not easy, I would say, so medium or like in advanced tasks to practice today, like SQL tasks. So this task I took from my previous interviews for analytics engineering or BI engineering roles. I think it will be quite useful. Yeah, so here's the first task. Yeah, as you see, there are like three tables with some data, and yeah, could you just read the description and just and start to solve it? Feel free to ask any questions during the interview. Yeah, so let's start.
Yeah, sure. Okay, thank you. Let's start. Yeah, table number one, purchase order with order ID, customer ID, and date. Yes, okay, I get it. History of purchase. Okay, and table two, order product, order ID, and product ID. Yeah, table with products and orders. And table number three, product ID, product category ID, name, description, price, available stock. Yeah, so I see the third table is about product. Customers make some purchase orders, each one having a date and containing one or more products. So we have one or more products in each order. List each customer and each purchased product along with the rank of the order it was in. One for the order with the oldest date, two for the second order, etc. Output should contain three columns: customer ID, product name, order number. Sort the rows by customer ID and by order number ascending. Sample output. So I see customer ID, product name, order number. Sort by customer ID and by order number. Yeah, okay. List each customer and each purchased product.
Yeah, if you want, you can delete like output if you don't need it. Or like
no. It's
okay.
Yeah, I think let's say yeah. Maybe it can be useful. We need customer ID, product name, and order number. Customer ID we have only in one table in with purchase order, so I think it's our main table. So we can start our select, for example, star and not star. We have already output, so we can just copy paste these names and then add alias. Oh, sorry. From we have table this purchase order. Let's say like PO, for example. PO, OP is order product and P. Yeah, okay. PO. So column with customer ID we have only in the table with product order, purchase order, sorry. Customer purchase product name. Product name we have in the table with product. So we just need to connect purchase order with product table. This is like I see that this is a dimensional table with description, name, price, everything about product.
Yes,
and
correct.
and order number. Order number. We can I consider that order number it is the order ID? Yeah.
No, like you should calculate. It's order number is a calculated field.
It's a
Yeah, you can
calculated
just
field also.
Well, one more time, let's just read how it should be calculated.
Oh, yeah, okay. Along with the rank of the order.
So you see, you have a lot of orders, and you have like a date for each order when this order was executed. Yes, and you should make a
Yes, I
rank.
see.
So if it was like the oldest order, you should put like 1.
Yeah, okay, I see. Oldest order 1 and further. Yeah, okay. If we have order and the same date with the same date, how we can rank it?
Yeah. So if you
the
have
same
order,
number.
yes. You can, for instance, you can see it in sample output. You see the customer ID 0, the first one in a sample output. You see like four products. Yes, Kindle, HC, Eurostar, and Greenworks. It's all products. Yeah, and on the third column you have order number, and you have 1 and 1. It means that most probably it's the one order with the same date.
With the same date.
Yeah, that's why we put like the same number there. So like two items, 2 products in one order, the same date, so we just put the same number. Yes.
Okay. So we need to use here dense rank function.
Yes, correct.
Yeah, if we need the same number with for equal date for equal values with date. So first of all, we can use CTE with orders rank, for example. So I'm going to rank orders in purchase in the table purchase order. For each customer.
So what are you thinking about?
Yeah, I just read again the description. Yeah, I see that each customer. So I think about how to partition by dense rank. Yes, so I need table with purchase order. This purchase order. Yeah, and here we need just order ID. Yeah, that's how we could then join this CTE with our main select order ID. And dense rank over partition by. So we need rank orders for each customer. So we can partition by customer ID.
Yes.
And we dense rank here we have another condition order by date. We need to our order oldest first is oldest, so order by ascending. Yeah, order by ascending, and we can call this row, no, this column, sorry, like array.
Yes, correct. Yeah, ascending because we need the orders first.
Yeah, orders first. Yeah, so in this CTE we will get order ID and number for each customer. It's like okay, SRN.
Okay.
Yeah, brackets. Yeah, okay. Yeah, and from purchase order. Yeah, so now we can implement this CTE in our main select where we have customer ID, so order number. Yeah, customer ID we can get from purchase order, or we can just add. We can just add purchase order in the CTE, for example. Oh, sorry, customer order, customer ID.
Yeah.
The CTE we can add. Yeah. So we have customer ID, order ID. Order ID we will use to join with order product and then product table. So customer ID. Yeah. So we just use orders rank. Let's name that orders. Okay, so from orders we can get customer ID and our RN as order number. And we need to get a product name. I use left join in order to be ensure that everything from purchase order will be exist in our select.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, left join with order product. So we don't have straight connection from purchase order to product because in project purchase order we don't have product ID column. So we need to join with first table with second table and then with third to get product name. So we just left join product order product. Oh, join on, let's call this OP. Orders order ID equal OP order ID, and then we can join with the third table product with alias P on OP. We have product ID and the same column product ID. We have product ID. And now we can get the product name from this table product. So it is alias P. So P product name and order. And the last thing that we need to sort the rows by customer ID and order number ascending. So we can order by customer ID and product order number. Yes, so we can just 1 and 3 by one column and third column. So guess it works.
Yeah, could you once again go through your code and explain what you did?
Yes, sure. Okay. First of all, we need this order number column,
Yes.
which is the rank of orders for each customer. So I make this CTE with rank of orders for each customer from the table purchase order. Just select customer ID, order ID, and rank orders by customer ID and order them by date. Date, yeah.
Yes, correct.
Yes, and yeah, this is how we can get the raw numbers, rank, how we can rank the orders. Then in the select statement, yeah, just select customer ID and this rank as order number. Yeah, and we need the third column with product name. Product name we have in the column with product. So we just need to join this CTE with order product table using order ID, and then join product table using product ID. And now we eventually we have product name from the table product.
Yes, I think it's absolutely right. So I like your approach and like your how you just did it. Let's talk about this dense rank function. So could you just mention other types of rank functions and what is the difference between them?
Yeah, sure. We in the description here we need in the example of output here we see that 1 and 1 order number, and yeah, you help me with this. Yeah, that notice this. If the date is the same for each order, so we need to rank with the same number, like 1, 1, 2, 2. If we have another condition, for example, the same date, we can use function rank, and this is slightly different function. If the date is the same, just get, for example, in the first row, 1, in the second row, 1, because the date is same. And for the third row, we will get number 3 if we use rank function, because rank function skip numbers if we have the same values in the condition.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we just will get this here 1, 1, and 3, 3, and next for the customer 0 will be 5. I know function row number. It's just the number of each rows. So if we use the row number, we just get 1, 2, 3, 4, and yeah, without this equality.
Yeah.
Despite this equality, yeah, in the data.
Yeah, correct. Yeah, so I think that's all for today. Today, I think the feedback from me is quite positive. You just solve the task and just you know, like evidently you know how to use the dense rank functions. That is not so common. Implemented it and just got the right query. You felt like, and you showed more confident approach today, so I liked it. A little bit like I asked you to go throughout. You had a little bit hesitation maybe, but in general, I think it's much better than the last one. Thank you so much for the interview. I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, see you next time on the next round.
Yeah, see you. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.